Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with RE/MAX, and welcome to 755 West 15th, located in the beautiful Fairview area of British Columbia, surrounded by cherry blossoms on a nice quiet street, nestled between Oak and Cambie. We're only 10 minutes away from downtown Vancouver, so you get to enjoy all the luxuries of downtown without the noise. Pretty awesome. This building was built in 1993. This highly desirable area has a lot of beautiful features. We're literally a 5-minute walk away from VGH, shopping, restaurants, pretty much anything you need, as well as the beautiful Shaughnessy area. Townhomes these days are getting much harder to find, especially ones that are in this good a shape. Come on inside. This recently renovated townhouse had just shy of $140,000 in upgrades, luxury upgrades. All of the appliances are high-end, pretty much everything from top to bottom was brand new. The building itself was rain screened in 2005 and has a new roof as well. The other entrance here actually comes with an elevator, so you are able to enter if you have a stroller or a wheelchair. And there's actually 2 parking spots that are side by side, as well as ample street parking. Walking into the living room, we have a tremendous amount of natural light. Check out the custom-built fireplace. The tile work is very, very high-end, and it's designed to put a nice big flat-screen TV. When you look outside here, it's got a really nice patio overlooking the outside quiet street, perfect for morning coffee on a Sunday. You can enjoy the cherry blossoms. The main floor itself is definitely designed for entertaining. It's one massive room. Now follow me upstairs, check out the top floor. Located on the 2nd floor, you've got 2 bedrooms, your master, and then a smaller room for children or guests. They're actually conveniently located apart from each other for privacy purposes. The laundry room is to my left. It's quite large, so you could do a lot of folding of the laundry, organizing, whatnot, or it could even be extra storage or even a small office. Now, to my other left is the bathroom, which has a lot of really, really high-end features. Come take a look. One of my favorite features, the 2nd bedroom is a good size, standard size, lots of closet space, and actually has its own private patio, which is really cool, and a ton of natural light. Walking into the master bedroom has its own bathroom, quite large shower. It's also got a steam shower. Follow me inside. The master bedroom is huge. An entire wall of closet space, natural light, an area that you could do another private desk if you wanted to. At the end of the day, it's big. I like it. Join us this Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m., April 12th, for a sneak peek. Agents and clients are welcome to come on their own, as well as this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, for an open house. I'm Jessi Johnson, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye-bye.